Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I am going to give you the exact strategy how you can invite someone to give access to your Google My Business page. You might be aware about Google My Business page. This particular tool is good for local listing, for local traffic, or for local customers. So in this entire video, I am going to give you the exact strategy how you can invite someone to give access to your Google My Business page. No matter whether you want to give access to your colleagues, your business partner, your digital marketing agency, or your freelancer. So stay tuned and just follow the process step by step.
First of all, go to Google My Business page. Just click here and try to sign in. So this is my lots of pages I am going to right now I am managing lots of pages. So here is my profile. See profile here. So what we need to do, first of all, we just need to open Google. Then in Google, just put Google My Business page. Okay. Then after this, let's go to this option. Let's go to sign in. And since I have working with lots of companies, so these are the profiles. So just want to invite someone to see my business profile. I want to edit something into my business profile. So we have to give access to this particular page. Let's go to see your profile. So this is my profile. So I just want to give access to someone to manage my business page. So just need to just go for this option. So you can also go for business profile settings. Then go for people and access. Then simply add and put the email address. Click here and just invite. So in this way, you can simply invite someone to get access of your Google My Business page. So just check out the inbox. So just make it refresh. Now see, now you are the manager of this particular business page. So in this way, you can invite someone to access your Google My Business page. I hope you like my video. If you have any question, any doubt, feel free to ask me through comment box. Thank you so much.